Kansas State. Welcome to Kansas. After I get gas here in about another half an hour, probably. See you in a little bit. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me or not. It is really windy. Just stopped in Goodland, Kansas, and got gas and wet in my head suck. I haven't made a room reservations yet for tonight. Pretty sure I'm going to make it all the way to Hayes. I've only got about 2 hours there. It is really windy right now. Yeah, it's bad windy. It's probably 40 mile an hour sustained gusts, probably in the, yeah, it's windy. So, and but making good time. Yeah, so I got like 2 hours still to get to Hayes. I'll probably stop in Waukene and get gas one more time, just because we're going to be fighting this nasty cross and hurt wind here in a second. Alright, see you later. I'm not going to have a whole lot of interesting things going on because it's just so damn windy right now. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alrighty, we are back. Changing time zone. We are back in the Central Time Zone. So, yay, the time that I'm going to be the rest of the way. All the way home. Well, I might end up going through some Eastern Time Zone part. I don't know yet. We'll see. A lot's going to depend on how my time is going, and do I choose to go down like, 70 up to, up into 41 or something like that. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see. We'll play that by ear. Yeah. Alright, I got about another hour and a half still riding. I'm going to stop and get gas probably about half an hour, 40 minutes. And at which point I'm going to make my room reservations for tonight. And we'll get it set. It'll be in Hayes, Kansas. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright, the big curve south. What happened there? The curve to the south. We'll pick up US 40 again between Colby and Oakley. Still making good time. You may or may not be able to hear me. It's windy as hell. At least now we're going to be mostly a straight headwind, which is better. Alright, we'll see you after a gas stop. Alright, well, I'm in Oakley. Stopped at the first exit. I'm gonna let him go. Where are you at? There you are. Wallet, good. Alright, so a little over an hour to go, like 90 miles I think it is. So we're gonna stop in Hayes tonight at the Days Inn. Up. I was talking to that guy on that street glide who went by. He's trying to make it another 400. He said. So I don't know what that would be. I don't know what would be 400 miles from here. That might be like Columbia, but I know for me it's 3 days no matter what. It's 2 more days no matter what. Especially with the heat. I mean, yeah, if we got a real early start tomorrow morning, could I try to knock it out in one day? Yeah, but with the heat. Why? I don't have to be back at work until Monday. I'll still be back Saturday afternoon. Why push it that hard? I had to add about 8 ounces of oil, which is fine. I don't mind adding 8 ounces. 8 ounces is reasonable. That's pretty much the only thing I've had to add since I left this morning. And we're, what, 500 miles in? Thereabouts. What have I done today? Oh, I gotta turn tunes back on. Come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, right at 500, 497. Yeah, today will be about 570. Tomorrow won't quite be that far. I think tomorrow will only be about like a, what, 4.5, maybe 500. And then I get home, I'll only have like 330 or so. I'm not planning to stop again unless I have to use the bathrooms. We'll just go ahead and make it the whole way. Like I said, it's just over an hour, and it's probably like, I don't know, 85, 88. It's not that bad right now. Alright, I'll pick this up as I get closer to Hayes. Alrighty, I'm coming into Hayes. I got 4 more miles on the expressway and then we get off. And at the day's end tonight in Hayes, Kansas, I think I'll have right about 7.5. Right? No. 8? Maybe it's 8, I don't know. But there's an outside chance I might go all the way to the house tomorrow, but I doubt it. More than likely, I'm either going to stop in somewhere in the St. Louis area or maybe just a little bit past there. I could go as far as Vandalia, Illinois. That's possible. Today was kind of just trying to saw off as much as I could with the weather kind of being a little cooler, knowing that the next 2 days, the rest of the way is going to be hot. I mean, it's already hot here. It's probably about 90 here. And it's probably going to get a little bit hotter as I get home, closer to the house. But all things considered, good day. No major issues. I think I may have figured out where that oil leak's coming from, I hope. It seems like it was holding more. I wonder if the dipstick's just not sealing. And that's what I'm hoping. I'm going to hope that maybe I can stop at the Harley dealer in Topeka, and they can get, and they'll have I may try to email their parts department tomorrow and see if they might have one, a dipstick for a Softail. If not, well, we'll deal with it until we get home and put the vendor one in, and see what happens. I don't think it's going to hurt anything running the vented one, but, I mean, Alright, I'm not 100% sure. The Days Inn looks like it's south, which is unfortunate because the Walmart's on the other end of this, on the other side, but you know, whatever. We'll check and see what eats are around there and go from there. Considered, I'll take the way today is gone. Yeah, it would have been nice if maybe I could have went a little bit further, but you know, I'm going to make it another hour to hour and a half to Salina, maybe, but it's like, why? There's a Days Inn. There's a Super 8. Where's the Days Inn? Days Inn is over there. You got the Freddy's, the Arby's. Alright. Oh, I think oh, it's this one. Hey, look, another motorcycle. Alright, let's go check in and see what's going on. Is it a Yamaha? I think. Alright. Alright, we'll see you guys in the morning.